Greetings and hello. I hope everyone had a good Memorial Day weekend. This week is a short week, the 26th of May, Tuesday, through the 29th of May on Friday. And let's go over what we're going to be working on this week in the Dynamix 802 Online Humanities section of your online learning. So these are learning opportunities for humanities for this week. First of all, obviously on Monday we had no school, so Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday we're going to meet in our small group literature circles to continue talking about the Odyssey. We're also going to have consultations with each student about their final project. So over the course of the week, you will have been assigned a time, and I hope to meet with you individually to talk about your projects. If the time I assign doesn't work, don't hesitate to let me know, and we'll touch base and make sure that you're clear on the expectations. So also this week, again, we have the small group meets Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Final project consultancies are going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday afternoons. We have our social meet at 11:30 on Wednesday, and we'll be playing Minecraft at 1:15 on Thursday and Friday. Learning opportunity number one, this is continued from last week. You can earn your Odyssey Response 5 certificate by attending a scheduled literary circle session, and we'll meet in small groups on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to discuss the story. Please try to attend as we will discuss elements of literature and the developments in the story. An email with more details will be sent the day of the meeting. Learning opportunity number two is the final reflection project rough draft. There are two slideshows that you should be watching, one for the 7th grade final project and one for the 8th grade final project. Students should have selected a project platform by this week that's either a speech or a writing piece, a slideshow, or something creative, and an essential question to address. Students should then be following the planning process to develop a rough draft of their final reflection project. By the end of the week, students should have a fairly complete rough draft. And again, I'll be consulting with students about their progress throughout the week. Learning opportunity number three is simply to continue putting evidence of your learning, especially the certificates, on the evidence page of your PLP. And then some additional opportunities include working on your illustrated study guide and sketch notes. You can be organizing your PLP, including updating the evidence page with certificates earned through the Dynamix 802 online course of study. You could work on any Green Team Academy modules, or there's some extracurricular writing and creative opportunities for you. And then here's the work plan for Tuesday, May 26th. Again, just continue listening to the Odyssey, be working on your final reflection projects, and if you have time left over, I don't think you will, but if you do, you could certainly be working on your PLP evidence page. Let's have a great week, folks, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to be in touch via email or text. Thanks, take care, and let's have a good week. Bye now.